Namaste student, myself J.V. Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Our subject is Microbial Biology Lab and today's session is Effect of Drug Resistance in Bacterial Culture. We have two objectives. First is media preparation and second is observation of the bacterial culture. So first of all we will discuss what is a bacterial culture. So, a microbial culture or microbiological culture is a method of multiplying microbial organism by letting them reproduce in predetermined culture medium under controlled laboratory conditions. Microbial cultures are foundational and basic diagnostic methods used as a research tool in molecular biology. Microbial cultures are used to determine the type of organisms, its abundance in the sample being tested, or both. It is one of the primary diagnostic methods of microbiology and used as a tool of determining the cause of micro-infectious disease by letting the agent multiply in a predetermined medium. For example, a throat culture is taken by scraping the lining of tissue in the back of the throat and biting the sample into a medium to be able to screen to harmful microorganisms such as Streptococcus pyogenes. So, uh, bacteriological culture method were first observed by Anton von Leeuwenhoek in the late 17th century. So, bacterial culture is based on bacterial metabolism, culture pH, culture oxidation, reduction potential, and gaseous requirement. So, what is culture media? It is used to grow bacteria, can be used to enrich the number of bacteria, select for certain bacteria, and suppress others, differentiate among different kinds of bacteria. In this oxygen concentration, which is anaerobes, which is do not require oxygen, obligate anaerobes die in the presence of oxygen, facultative anaerobes, and microaerophilic bacteria. Second is purpose of culturing. First is isolation, then properties of bacteria to create antigens for the laboratory use, typing of the bacteriophage and bactericidin susceptibility to test the antibiotic sensitivity. What are the methods of isolating pure culture? First is surface plating, second is enrichment medium, third is selective medium, and fourth is indicator medium. What are the types of media used? Generally, purpose media will support the growth of many microorganisms. Enriched media are general purpose media supplemented by blood or other special nutrient to encourage the growth of fastidious heterotrophs having complicated nutritional requirements. Types of media used. First is selective media, which is favor the growth of particular microorganism and inhibits the growth of other. Second is differential media, which distinguish between different groups of bacteria on the basis of their biological characteristic. What is the temperature characteristic ranges? First is cycrophiles with optimum growth around 20 degrees Celsius. Mesophiles between 15 and 45 with optimum around 37 degrees Celsius. Thermophiles between 30 and 75 with optimum around 55 Celsius. And hypothermophiles, which is greater than 100 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature of the bacteria for their growth. The requirement for the growth, physical requirement is pH. Most bacteria grow between pH 6.5 and 7.5. Molds and yeast grow between 5 to 6 pH. Acidophiles grow in acidic environments. The next topic is culturing. Used to grow bacteria and can be used to enrich the number of bacteria, select for certain bacteria and suppress other, differentiate among different kinds of bacteria. What are the methods to isolate the bacteria? There are different methods like streak culture, stroke culture, stab culture, pore plate culture method, liquid culture method, special method for anaerobic culture. How to inoculate a culture plate? Provide large surface for isolation and observation of colonies. Using a sterile loop or a sterile swab, streak your sample on the Petri plate. Then different method for culture bacteria is McConkey agar. In this colonies, make a observation like shape, size, elevation, ages, surface, opacity, and consistency. Then second is liquid media. It is easiest to prepare and use, good for growing quantities of microscope needed for analysis or experiment. Unless inoculated with pure culture, cannot separate different organisms. Then third is slant observation. The next culture is streak. In this, lawn or carpet culture or create uniform surface of organism. In this, bacteriophages typing to obtain large amount of antigens. So next method for isolation of pure culture is surface plating, enrichment medium, selective medium, and indicator medium. Next, our method is liquid culturing. In this, liquid cultures are done in tube, bottles, flask, blood culture, and water analysis. Step culture. In this, puncturing is suitable medium such as nutrient agar, gelatin, observation gelatin liquefaction, preserving the stock culture. Next is sweep plate method. So in this, we take antibiotic or agar, Hinton agar antibiotic testing. In this, measuring the zone of inhibition, we microbial antibiotic susceptibility test. In this agar diffusion test, zone of growth inhibition we test. Next is anaerobic bacterial isolation. Anaerobic bacterial isolation and identification needs specified conditions. Desiccator, candle jar, and gas packs, other reducing agents. So this is all about the effect of drug resistance in bacterial culture method. So in this we discussed the effect of drug resistance in bacterial culture. So if you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. Thank you, students.